What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to create a motion blur effect on your Canva, okay? So something like this. Can you see when you see some people running, for example, this image right here, you can create this motion blur effect on Canva, okay? Let's get things started. First, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your Canva, find the design into the size that you need, and review the left sidebar of menus. Scroll down until you find apps. Once on apps, search for motion blur and use this first app right here, this with the big M. Choose the file, select your image, just like this. Let me select my image, and it already generates a blur automatically for me, okay? You can change the model, for example, okay? In the case that you want, you can change the colors. You can change the direction. The intensity of the blur can be customized. The sharp zone can be customized as well. Just like this. And the feeder. Nice, right? Click on Add to Design, and here is the results we got. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!